Hello, Mel here. So, I just unboxed my new blender. I bought it through Froothie, which is comparable to Vitamix with half the price. So I'm gonna flip the screen and show you. It's so cool. I've just made a smoothie and it's like silky smooth. You know how often smoothies are, still got chunky bits? No, silky smooth. So flip the screen. All right, so this is the Optimum 9200A. As you can see, it's got electronic dash, and it's got your slow, medium, fast, but it's also got these little buttons here which are like timers, which is really cool. Not sure what that is yet. I'm only just exploring it. A 2-litre BPA heat-proof jug. This lid is amazing. It will not come off. And then you can take that out and use your tamper tools to, push the product down, in, like all your fruits and veggies and everything in it. But definitely highly recommend this bad boy.